Okay, we will take a quick review of what we studied previously. Okay, we are taking the concept of reverse charge mechanism in GST. In reverse charge mechanism GST, how many services covered? 19 types of services covered under RCM. First type of service is goods transport agency services. When it comes to goods transport agency services, who is the service provider? Good transport agent. Who is the service recipient? Factories located under factories registered under Factories Act. Cooperative society, societies registered under Societies Registration Act, or firm registered under any other law, or a person registered under CGST Act. What is the rate of GST the supplier is charging other than 6% CGST, 6% GST, or 12%? That means he is charging 2.5% CGST, 2.5% GST, or IGST at the rate 5%. Then particular service covered under RCM. Second thing, what is the second type of service? Arbitral tribunal services. Legal services. Who is legal service? Who is the service provider here? Service provider, individual advocate, including senior advocate, individual advocate, including senior advocate, or firm of advocates. Who is the service recipient? Business entity located in a taxable territory. And the third type of service is arbitral tribunal services. Arbitral tribunal services. Who is service provider here? Arbitral tribunal services in relation to an arbitral service provided by an arbitral tribunal to a business entity located in a taxable territory. What is the fourth type of service? Sponsorship service. Who is the service provider here? Any person. Who is the service recipient here? Body corporate or a partnership firm located in a taxable territory. Body corp. Who is the service provider? Any person. Any person. Who is the service recipient? Body corporate or a partnership firm located in a taxable territory is a service recipient. And next comes to fifth type of services, government services. Government services. Sir, all services provided by the government covered under RCM. That is not the case. Where there are some exceptions. Services provided by government to a business entity covered under RCM. Covered under RCM. There are some exceptions. For three types of exceptions. What is service relation to and renting of a mobile property? And second type is service postal department services. But are all postal department services? No. Express services provided by postal department in relation to a basic in relation to an speed post, express parcel post, life insurance, or agency services. And next thing is services in relation to an aircraft inside or outside the presence of a port or an airport. And next thing is transportation of passengers, transportation of goods or passengers. This service provided by the central government or a state government to a business entity, it not comes under RCM and not comes here. Specifically here government specifically included here services provided in relation to and renting of a mobile property to a business entity. Why they specifically here excluded means that particular service taken out of RCM means services in relation to and renting of immobile property provided by the government to any person it attracts RCM. Not only business entity, to any person it attracts RCM. For this purpose they specifically excluded here and placed here. And next thing is services in relation to an floor space index or transferable development rate. Who is the service provider here? Any person. Who is the service recipient here? Promoter. And long-term lease of land. Long-term lease of land means more than 30 years. What is the service provider is receiving here? Cost price or premium or salami money. Who is the service recipient here? Promoter. That means promoter needs to discharge GST liability under RCM basis. Next thing is director services. Services provided by whom? Director. Director means who does not covered under section 192 of the CG of the Income Tax Act 1961. That means 194. Which the service recipient here is body corporate. Body corporate or a company located in a taxable territory. Next, insurance agent services. Services provided by an insurance agent to whom person carrying on insurance business. Next, recovery agent services. Who is the service provider here? Recovery agent. Whom he is providing the service? Banking company, non-banking financial company, or a financial institution. Next thing is music related services. Services provided by a music composer or a photographer, or artistic alike, to whom he is providing for a music company or producer or alike. And next thing is services in relation to an enjoyment of a copyright. Who is the service provider here? Author. Who is the service recipient here? Publisher. There is an exception when that particular that author need to give declaration to the GST department under form GST INV 1, INV1, that he will discharge the GST liability under forward charge, then that particular person need to mention that particular thing in the invoice which is charged to the publisher, that RCM is not applicable. Then the author can discharge the GST liability under forward charge. Next thing, services provided by members of the overseeing committee constituted by RBI to the RBI. Next thing is services provided by an individual direct selling agent. Individual direct selling agent service provided by an individual direct selling agent other than a body corporate, partnership firm or LLP, to whom he is providing banking company or a non-banking financial company. Next, services in relation to a business facilitator. Services provided by a business facilitator to a banking company or a non-banking financial banking company. Only banking company located in a taxable territory. Next, service provided by an business correspondent. Services provided by an business correspondent. An agent. Services provided by an agent of the business correspondent to a business correspondent located in a taxable territory. Next, service in relation to security services. Who is the service provider? Any person other than a body corporate. Any person other than a body corporate. Who is the service recipient? A registered person located in a taxable territory. Next thing is services in relation to renting of a motor vehicle. Renting of a motor vehicle, here you need to look into the rate of GST which the service provider is charging. That means he is charging 2.5% CGST, 2.5% SGST, or IGST at the rate 5%. 5%. Who is the service provider here? Any person other than a body corporate. Who is the service recipient here? Body corporate. What he is charging for the body corporate, that means he is recovering the uh, service for a service, that means driver or rent something, rental or renting of that motor vehicle, and including the fuel cost also he is recovering from the body corporate. Then that when he recovers the including fuel cost from the body corporate, then only the particular service will come under RCM. Next, services in relation security lending. Who is service provider? Lender. Who is the service recipient? Borrower. This is the complete revision under RCM of concept of RCM under GST. If you like this video, press like button, and if you have any comments, please place that comments in the comments box. And if you have any doubts in particular topic at GST or financial reporting or other aspects, income tax in income tax act, please drop that in the comment button so that I will take a video on that. Thank you. Bye bye.